the world to see what I can offer, and I figured that this is the time for me to shine and give my informational service and let everybody come in at the pre-market prep and watch me do my live videos every morning and give them the direction that I feel that things are moving. And sometimes it's right, sometimes it's wrong. It's just we want to be right more than we're wrong.
Disclaimer: Elite trading is for educational purposes only. The alerts given are not one-way tickets to be a millionaire. Discretion is advised.
But they want to hit a base hit, they hit a base hit or a home run. Sometimes that home run makes up for the next 10 hits, but at the end of the day, you want to just hit those base hits. That's all it's about every day, and that's what I do. And that's how we became successful. And now we're just wanting to share that success and let everybody else gain something that they don't already know.
Good morning, everybody. It's Kaler here with Elite Trading 9 a.m. pre-market prep, and we are ready to go. The market was green at the end of the day yesterday. You got all new highs again, and you know, it's pretty amazing. I think we're in just a beautiful market. It's something that most traders haven't seen before, and you know, it's definitely we're living in history, a historical moment right now. So I'm appreciating that, and I am soaking that up this morning. Any of the Irish folks out there, happy St. Patrick's Day tomorrow. If you're not going to be in here because you might be up going around town celebrating, but if you are going to be in here in the morning, we'll see you tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. Let's get you started with the newsletter right now. Bulls and Bears, let's go. All right, we have the daily newsletter for Elite Trading here. The quote of the day, 3/16/2021. The desire for constant action, irrespective of underlying conditions, is responsible for many losses in Wall Street. Jesse Livermore. We have Bulls. Ruby, R-U-B-Y, S-J-R, T-I-R-X, A-E-V-A, and G-N-M-K. We have the Bears, FB, Facebook. We have AAPL, Apple. We have ZM, and we have Work. We are looking at the daily news here. Major indices saw new highs on Monday during its trading hours. Dow Jones is trading slightly lower this morning, but the S&P and NASDAQ futures are trading even higher this morning. If you're long those, if you're long the QQQs, good job. I got hit this morning a little bit, I'm not going to lie. Both reopening and technology stocks were a main focus in yesterday's market. The price of Bitcoin traded as low as $53,350 late Monday after trading above 61,000 on Saturday. Volkswagen stock rose more than 7% Monday, hitting a new high after revealing their plans to move towards EV. Big move in Volkswagen. Air travel over the weekend hit its all-time highest level in more than a year as the COVID-19 vaccine rolls out and Americans return to vacationing. Trading tips for the week: don't buy into risk, understand liquidity, learn the basics for reading charts. Still on the watch list, we have SPCE, EBON, GM, MIDD, EQ, and R. Pull up the chart. All right, folks, so what you're looking at is a chart on the SPY, SPY. We're looking at, right now, a simulated position, which is using an ODO bracket. So this is something that we're going to be trading in our options phase 1 course that should be delivered here very soon for you guys. And this is going to be a way that you can go in with already assessing where you want to have your risk, and you can already have it to where it assesses where you want to have your potential target for getting out of the position in the positive. So as you can see, if we would have taken this position early this morning, we would have hit our target in the positive and succeeded. We had a 1.18 risk reward ratio. We had a closed P&L of 2.47. So this was a good, and this could be on an amount of 1,000 shares. So think if you buy these in lots, you can change the amount of what you want. Say you want to buy 10 or 15, 20 or 100, whatever you want to buy, and you can set that in here, and it can actually give you those stop points for entry and exit for the profit and for loss. So it's pretty cool. It's a good way to use, good tool to use. If you don't know how to use it, make sure you drop a comment or jump in and private message me. I can definitely go over this one-on-one, set you up on how to make it work. You can even do like strategy testers and different things like that. Edit your own scripts and make moves your own way. So now let's say that we were looking at this chart. This is a 30-minute. Let's say that we wanted to enter on a 3-minute. We're looking for a move right now in the pre-market session. Well, what you could look at is, okay, here's your previous move. You've got a lot of risk from this move here to the downside. If you were to get in, you have more risk than what I see as potential reward. Let me back this out for you guys. Sorry. I'm going to have to lower this down. So we go here. There's your upside potential from that entry. You have so this is a tiny, quick little move. You don't want to have as much risk as I have on the downside, but the chart isn't cooperating with me while I'm live because I'm doing this so fast. But we got to get this bad boy back down. Here we go. Let's get this drawn up here. All right, there we go. Now let's get back down to the nitty gritty. We can bring this bad boy right here. And there you go. So you have a risk reward of 0.63. Open P&L, it's down 0.01. And then you can actually watch that trade work live as it goes to the green 0.06. So on this trade, you may be doing a quicker trade and you want to get in and out and you're looking for them just to give you a little bit of profit, maybe even if you're only trying to get 22 cents. But this trade here doesn't seem like the safest play right now, but it is definitely something that you could do when it comes to making a decision on wanting to get in and out early or have it preset so you can walk away for a little bit. But let's go ahead and look at GAN. If we can get that to pull up here. All right, we have GAN here, and it is looking nice. We like this chart for the long term. It's technically looking like a good setup, but it does have some tails coming down here. So I'd like to see it consolidate and then possibly break past this 28.77, get through these areas here to look for a positive move up. And then, longer term, this thing is looking a little bit a little scary. I don't know. I'd like it to come back a little bit before I'd get it on this one now, but that was one from the chat. And then we had Givo. Givo we have at 972, 975. So they don't like these right now. They don't look. This does not look great. Let's see what is doing good this morning. Apple 125.87. That's a big move. All right, so this one's pretty good. It's gonna be a good trade today. Apple, I like them today on the list. GM, let's see how they're doing. GM looks good. I like GM's chart. This is definitely going to be a good play, my opinion. Remember, I'm strictly just giving my opinions. This is not trading advice. Just letting you know what I'm thinking, what I'm looking at, and what I see possibly could be happening in the markets. Hope you guys enjoyed this session today. If you have any questions or if you want to talk to us about some things, or if you even want to input some of your information in here, if you're a trader that listens to us and you want to help us grow, all you have to do is reach out to us at contact at elitetradinglive.com. It's contact at elitetradinglive.com. Hope to see you guys in there, and we will see you in the live chat right after this. We'll be doing some live trading today, and can't wait to be with you guys. See you soon.